I had to make 2 trips. As you can see, I went to Target, but I ended up having to go back to go to Walgreens because I wanted to try the Dr. Bronner soap as a brush cleanser. So I'm gonna tell you what else I got. Got 2 bottles of water. I wanted to try this high protein bar. Picked it up at Walgreens. I feel like I had this before, but at the same time, I don't think I had this before. I don't know, but we're gonna try it out. I'll let you know how it goes. And then this is the bar of soap I got. I seen another makeup artist say that she used this to clean her brushes. I use a different soap by Sonia Roselli. I think that's how you pronounce her name. Her Tiger Eye soap. That's what I usually use. But I want to try this one. Got baby cakes, a muffin, and some mints. Do you guys kind of seen what I got at got at Target? Got a ginger ale, some kombucha, because my stomach ain't been acting right. I got some tissue to keep in my kit. And I also got one of these, since everybody been raving about them, so I want to try this one. I got the strawberry vanilla flavor. Hopefully it's good. But you guys will be following me today. We're going to be working because today is a busy day. I have 1 appointment here, and then I have 2 travel appointments that I'm going to today. They might be in the same spot because they are friends. These are repeat clients of mine. One of my favorite clients. All of them are my favorite clients, okay? But I need to wash some brushes. I have a bridal consultation at 11 o'clock, and then my first one comes at 1 o'clock. And then after that, we leave. So let's just get on with the day, and you guys can follow me around.
This one I can do with the jabba. Me, I no get time, I the jabba. Dada cover my face, calling me jabba. Biggie man, we know the way abada. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride the whip, I know beat.
I need to go scrub my hands now from all that soap. But yes, definitely get that soap, you guys. Get the Dr. Bronner's bar of soap if you need to clean your brushes. It cleaned my brushes really, really well, especially the concealer brush with the concealer on it. It did it really, really well. Usually what I would have to do is use the Cinema Secrets to clean the brush first. Let that dry for like a good 30 minutes. Sometimes I'll just let it dry for the day and then go and clean it with some soap just to make sure it's like squeaky clean. But that did really, really good. But you guys seen me clean my brushes. I set up for my client at 1 o'clock. My 11 o'clock consultation, she had to reschedule, unfortunately. So I told her we can just reschedule whatever day feels best for her. She had a family emergency. But yeah, your girl is sleepy because washing brushes is a lot of work. It's a lot of work. I am set for my 2 clients that I am traveling to. Only thing is, I don't even want to go downtown today. That's where I'm going because I didn't know they was having the hot chocolate run. So all the streets downtown are blocked off. So I'm probably going to be late to my first travel appointment, even with me leaving early. That's not a good look. But yeah, this is the life. You know, you got to constantly wash brushes. Who calling me? Nobody. Wash brushes, setting up, make sure everything is sanitized, fresh and clean. Literally the only thing I have to do is turn on the lights up in here and make the vanity lights a little bit brighter. But that is pretty much it. I'm just sleepy. I think I might take a nap until she get here. Or probably just close my eyes because it's already 12 o'clock. You know, and currently waiting on maintenance to come back because it was some water damage in the ceiling, I guess, like a pipe is leaking and my walls were starting to turn brown at the top and peeling. So he is currently drying it, and then he said he'll be back to, I guess, patch it up. I don't know. Thing is, if you guys didn't check the pipes to see where the leak is coming from, you just basically covering it up. That's how these Chicago apartment buildings are, you know. They don't never really fix the problem. Oh, and it's raining on and off all day. It's very gloomy outside. It's just not a good day, you know. But we're gonna make it a good day. I'm really liking these earrings that I got from Amazon. They are so cute. They're like, it's like a stud but not a stud because I'm trying to get in the habit of wearing hoops, but it just ain't clicking yet. I do need to do something with my face though. Put some concealer on and fill in these brows because the first client, she's a new client, but my other 2 clients, they don't really care how I look, long as they look pretty. That's all that matters. But yes, I will check in with you guys when my first client arrives. Bye. I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took it down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me
I look cute.
Yes.
Okay, this is good.
Yeah,
I like
you
it.
look
I like it a lot.
They were like, okay.
I know. Okay, low key, because I was like, there's a lot of neutrals here. I'm like, not that natural, but okay. This is everything. Okay, we'll find my husband tonight. Okay, I feel good. This is gonna be. You gonna be sick of me. I'm gonna find all types of events to go to.
Yes, let me take a quick picture of you. Yes, you look cute.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult. I'm a mind that's you the talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that get pose like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry yo. And if we go and shadow, 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 and if we go and shadow. I did Port Harcourt when them kill Obama. I did try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remain could have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani cat churu a churu. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to?
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be
Made a stop at Joe and the Juice. Waiting for my last client to finish getting her nails done before I head her way. So I should be leaving in a few minutes, but it's been a good day so far. I took me a little nap after the last time I talked to y'all. I'm still tired though. It's a gloomy day today. And amen, I didn't run into any traffic from the marathon. I think the marathon might be over though. But yes, one more client for the day. Then I'm gonna go home. I'm not even gonna unpack none. I'm gonna just leave it sitting by the door. Cause I already got some clean brushes for tomorrow. I only got one client tomorrow. Amen. But yes, so that's what I'm doing. Resting my little feet. And on to the next one.
Yo, hear me out. Anybody
do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching.